What makes Coldwell Banker Horizon Realty different from your other choices? Not only is our mission to provide the highest quality real estate services to all our clients, but that has been the mission of our founders for over 100 years. Coldwell Banker was founded in San Francisco in the early 1900s by two men who believed in a real estate company dedicated to customer care. Today, Coldwell Banker is a multinational real estate enterprise. The franchise has a significant international presence on 6 continents in 46 countries and territories, including Canada and British Columbia. Like the original founders of Coldwell Banker, the owners of Horizon Realty practice real estate with a dedication to customer care. Since becoming the first Coldwell Banker franchise in Canada more than 20 years ago, Horizon Realty has grown to be one of the top award winners in the country. Coldwell Banker Horizon Realty has been providing strata management services since 2006 and property management since 1996. Although a separate division of the company, our focus on customer service is the same. We take the reputation of our company and our franchise seriously and work to maintain the high standards set for us. Our people are experienced licensed professionals. To maintain their license, they must meet ongoing training requirements and be subject to the Real Estate Council of British Columbia's Realtor Code of Ethics. A referral from an existing customer is the best compliment we can have. We work for it, and we take it seriously. At Coldwell Banker Horizon Realty, we are proud of our reputation. In our organization, each licensed manager operates as an independent contractor under the supervision of our managing broker, in the same way our realtors operate. This means each person has a personal stake in providing top quality service to meet your needs and in operating with the highest standards of care. We not only give you top quality people to work with on a day-to-day basis, but our managing broker is easily accessible through the office and your calls are always welcome. We make an effort to present our advice in clear and concise terms and our documents in an easy-to-read and understandable format. Our goal is that everything should be simple and as transparent as possible. We want you to relax and enjoy your home, knowing the business of running the corporation is in good hands. We give you our commitment to provide unsurpassed service from highly skilled professionals with extensive experience and local knowledge, combined with the full resources of Coldwell Banker Horizon Realty, backed by the reputations of Coldwell Banker Canada and Coldwell Banker International.